Hello friends, today our topic is the model 5 of the queuing theory. In the previous video lecture, already we have discussed from model 1 to model 4. Now today in our model 5, according to Kendall's notation, we can check that our arrival is Poisson or Markovian. Our service is based on the Erlangian. The number of servers is equal to 1 and the number of customers is equal to infinite, and the service discipline is FCFS. That means A/B/C D/E. That is according to the Kendall's notation. This model is with Poisson arrival, Erlangian service, time with k phases. That is, here the service provider give the service to the customers with some steps. Now before we proceed to the model 5, at first we are giving some information about the Erlangian way or Erlangian service. Now what is the Erlangian or Erlang distribution? Sometimes called the Erlang K distribution, was developed by A.K. Erlang to find the number of phone calls which can be made simultaneously to switching station operators. Erlang was a telecommunications engineer for the Copenhagen Telephone Company. His formulas for loss and waiting time were used by many telephone companies, including the British Post Office. It is used in the queuing theory. Here in the model 5, we are using the Erlang distribution, and also used in the stochastic processes and in mathematical biology also. The Erlang distribution is particularly a special case of the gamma distribution, and it is defined by two parameters, that is k and mu, where k is the shape parameter, a positive integer. In gamma distribution, k can be any real number including the fractions, and mu, that is known as the scale parameter, must be a positive real number. The probability distribution function of the Erlang distribution is particularly f of x, the k and mu, and that is written the formula x to the power k minus 1 into e to the power minus x by mu upon mu to the power k into k minus 1 factorial for x and mu greater than equal to 0. And an equivalent form of the PDF, that is the probability density function for this distribution, includes lambda, a measure of rate, where mu is equal to 1 upon lambda, and lambda represents the numbers of items or calls expected in a given amount of time. In the case of to find mean, the formula is k upon lambda. For the variance, that is k upon lambda square, and skewness 2 upon square root of k, and for kurtosis, that is 6 divided by k. Now particularly where that Erlangian distribution is needed in model 5. So that's why we have described something about the Erlangian process, because according to the queuing theory, that is the first time we are introduced with that type of distribution. So our service distribution in model 5 is based on the Erlangian or the Erlang distribution. Now the arrival is the Poisson, that means that is Markovian. Now Erlangian service, that means it has k phases, that means some steps are there which we have to remember. What is happening here? Now here the customers are in the queue. Now when the service facility or the servers are there are k phases of service. That means the serialization, the serial way the service provider is providing the service. So that is the way when that type of process is going on, we have to think that there are some steps with the servers. So that is the Erlang process. Now what are the formulas? Now for the formulas, the first one is average number of units in the system, and that is LS, and given by k plus 1 upon 2k into lambda upon mu into lambda upon mu minus lambda plus lambda upon mu. And the average number of units in the queue by default, that is LQ, is equal to k plus 1 upon 2k into lambda upon mu into lambda upon mu minus lambda. And as usual, that means LS is equal to lambda q plus LQ plus lambda upon mu. So the next, average time spent by a unit in the system, that is WS, that means the waiting time for the system, that is k plus 1 upon 2k into lambda upon mu minus lambda plus 1 by mu. And average waiting time of a unit in the queue, that is WQ, k plus 1 upon 2k into lambda upon mu into mu minus lambda. So we can say WS is equal to WQ plus 1 upon mu. Now we check the model 5 with one example. What the example statement say? To perform a certain type of job in an office consists of 5 basic steps. So at first, when we are proceeding with the example or the problem statement, let's check is that really falling in the model 5 or not. As usual, there is one server. So at first, when there are one server or one office, that means we can say that is 1. Now consist of 5 basic steps. So that means the service in the serialization process. So that means we can say the service rate is based on the Erlang distribution or Erlangian process. And it is performed sequentially. So that means first come and first serve. The time taken to perform each of the 5 steps is found to have an exponential distribution with mean 5 minutes. So already we have exponential distribution with the some steps. So that is according to the Erlangian, and is independent of other steps. If these jobs arrive in the office in a Poinsot fashion, so that means we may say that is Markovian at an average rate of 2 per hour, and if there is only one repairman, already we have said that one office, one repairman, so the server is 1. What is the average idle time for each job that has arrived? Now already according to the number of customers, we can say there are infinite number of customers. So that is m/ek/1 is to infinite/fcfs. So it is directly falling in the model 5. So we can proceed the solution with the help of model 5 formulas. So what is the question? What is the average idle time for each job? Now here we have to think what the first number of phases, that is k, that is our parameter, and that is given 5. Why? Because you can check here consists of 5 basic steps. So that is our first parameter k, that is 5. Now the service time for phase is equal to 5 minutes. Okay, that is given, found to have an exponential distribution with mean 5 minutes. So each and every 5 steps with 5 minutes. So per phase, that is 5 minutes. So service time per unit is equal to 20 5 minutes. So what is the service rate here? That is mu, that is 1 by 25 units per minute. Now, what is the second question for the arrival? Now, the arrival has been given with an average rate of 2 per hour, and that is based on minute. So, let's check the lambda, that means the arrival rate. Now, the arrival rate lambda is equal to 2 units per hour. So, we are here for the service rate transforming it into hour also. So 1 by 25 into 60, that is 12 by 5 units per hour. So that is our service rate, that is our arrival rate. Now the question is average idle time for each job. So that means the average time spent by the job in the system. So particularly we have to find out the WS. And what is the formula of WS? Now WS is equal to K plus 1 upon 2K into lambda upon mu into lambda mu minus lambda plus 1 upon mu. So already we have K is equal to 5, 2K is equal to 2 into 5 into lambda is equal to, already we know, that is 2, because that is given 2. Then mu is equal to 12 by 5 into 12 by 5 minus 2 plus 1 by 12 by 5. And that one, after calculation, we are getting 6 by 10 into 2 upon 12 by 5 into 2 by 5 plus 5 by 12 is equal to 5 by 4 plus 5 by 12. And the result is 20 by 12 is equal to 5 by 3 hour. Or if we transform it into minutes, that is becoming 5 by 3 into 60 minutes or 100 minutes. So that is how we can find out the idle time for each job according to the model 5.